How to fix Badoo profile stats not updating. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Badoo's profile stats are not updating. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If the profile stats like views or likes are not updating on the Badoo app, first of all, make sure to simply check your internet connection. So ensure that it's not the issue with internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data and also see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help, then there are also a couple of things that you can try. So what you're going to do is make sure to update the Badoo app to the latest versions. So go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Badoo application and check if it has an update, and if it does, then of course make sure to update it to the latest version. Once you make sure to update the app to the latest version as well, then other things that you can try is to clear the cache files. So if you're using Android, long press the Badoo app icon and tap on the I button over here. Then once you go here, you can go to storage and clear the cache files and also try to clear the data and see if that helps you. So hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.